Hey TikTok, it's your host, Dawn Darkness. Today we're diving into a recipe that's not only delicious, but also a fantastic way to preserve the flavors of the season, my vegetable soup for canning. Let's get started. Gather the goodness. We've got 2 quarts of tomatoes, fresh or canned, 6 medium potatoes, 12 carrots, 4 cups of lima beans, 4 cups of corn, fresh or frozen, 2 cups of celery, 2 cups of chopped onions, and 6 garlic cloves. Combine all these beautiful vegetables in a large saucepot. Add 6 cups of water, bring it to a boil for 5 minutes, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Ladle the hot soup into hot jars, leaving 1 inch of headspace. Give it a little love by removing any air bubbles with a knife. Now, it's canning time. Process pints for 1 hour, quarts for 1 hour and 15 minutes, at 10 pounds of pressure in a pressure canner. There you have it, my vegetable soup for canning. Perfect for preserving those garden flavors all year long. Try it out, share the warmth, and let me know how your